Hi, my name's Tom, and I like beer. I like to drink beer out on my cement patio, but I'm a little bit afraid of bringing out some of my favorite beer glasses out there because if I knock them over, obviously they're going to shatter and break right away. I'll have broken glass all over the place. So my wife went ahead and got me this cool metal tumbler steel insulated cup. I've never seen anything like this, but it's actually steel. It's 18/8 steel. It's Cupture. Cupture, Cupture, and it's solid. It's amazingly, it's like a metal steel cup that makes sense. But here's the cool part: it's actually insulated, and you wouldn't know that it's insulated. Again, it feels like a regular cup glass. The edges are real thin. It's really, really nice. And I wouldn't have thought I would have liked this. It's like, oh, I don't know. I don't like drinking beer out of a can. I pour in a glass because I like glass. But I've had multiple beers out of this over the last couple warmer nights that we've had, and it definitely keeps the beer colder longer. It's amazing. Obviously, it's not going to shatter if I knock it over. I'm actually very, very impressed by this. I didn't think I would like it. I didn't think I would even like drinking out of it. I've had some other metal cups that were kind of thick, but these edges, I don't know if I'm trying as you can see, these edges are super thin. They are exactly the same thickness as a glass, as a beer glass. It's really pretty amazing. This is a very comfortable cup. It fits in the hand very well. It looks really pretty. I think it's got a couple different styles. This is actually the smooth style. There's another faceted style. It does keep my beer colder much longer while I'm sitting outside. It's really pretty amazing. This is now my new favorite beer cup, especially for drinking outside. A couple quick things about it. You can put it in the dishwasher. I have not. I just hand wash it. And after I hand wash it, because it's so shiny, it's actually getting a little marked up here. Well, after I hand wash it, I go ahead and take a towel and I hand dry it, like I scrub it down, like when we wash a car, and then it looks nice and shiny and nice and clean. So there we are. But yeah, I really recommend it. It's actually good for cold or hot drinks, so I'm going to go ahead and try it with coffee.
Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pour right from this hot coffee pot, fresh coffee. I'm going to pour the same amount of coffee into each cup. Gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes or so. We'll test the temperatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, about the same amount of coffee, and we're just gonna let them sit right here. Okay, so here we are 20 minutes later. The ambient temperature is about 73 degrees, and I'm gonna put it in, and I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna tap the bottom and pull it back out. And our regular coffee cup is, let's call it 110. You can see that in the light. And then our metal coffee cup, it's a little deeper in there, is 137. Wow. So 20 minutes, 110 in a regular coffee cup, 137. Still 20 degrees warmer in the thin metal coffee cup. That's amazing. Or insulated metal cup. That's pretty cool there. This is the Cupture. That's neat. It does work. I'll be darned.
So as you can see, it actually kept the coffee warmer for longer. I'm not sure if I would regularly drink coffee out of this, but I definitely will drink beer out of it. I'll definitely drink cold drinks out of it. This is really great for cold drinks, and obviously it works well for hot drinks too. So I highly recommend this. I will say that it's kind of a base there. It will fit into most cup holders in a car. A lot of people were asking about that. However, I'm not sure if I would have an open cup like this in a car because it does not have a top. You just kind of sit and you just drink. It does not have a top. So I don't know if I would use it in the car, but it would fit in a cup holder. Or if you had a cup holder in the pool, maybe in your float, this will fit. It's a regular size, not too big at all. So yeah, I highly recommend this. This is really, really neat. My wife found this and I wasn't expecting it. So yeah, I highly recommend this. If you like having a nice cold drink or hot drink outside and you're afraid of knocking it over and you don't want anything to break or shatter, this is really cool.